Hi friends, here's a quick tutorial on how to set up the Flipgrid LTI app to work with your Canvas course. So you'll start in the course where you want to add Flipgrid. Tap Settings, and then the Apps tab. You're going to search for Flipgrid and click it. Next, we need to add the app. So from here, now we need to get this information which is provided on your Flipgrid account. So you're going to log into your Flipgrid account, which you should have created with your GPISD email address. From the upper right-hand corner, click the drop-down menu and click Integrations. We're going to add a new integration. You'll fill in your course information here and click Create. So now we have the consumer key and shared secret needed to complete the app installation. We'll copy the consumer key, copy the shared secret, and add the app. The app was added successfully. Now you're ready to create your Flipgrid assignment. So we'll go to Assignments and add an assignment. Now here's a note. If you have existing grids with existing topics, you cannot integrate those. They just don't work with this particular integration. So you'll have to recreate those topics to use within your new integration piece. Now you'll continue with your assignment details. So add your name. You might want to avoid putting anything in the rich content editor, and I'll show you why in just a second. But add the rest of your assignment details. For option of assignment type, you need to choose External Tool. And then you're going to search and find the Flipgrid app that you just installed. Now, after this process, if it's your very first time, you may be prompted to connect your Flipgrid and create a course grid. So make sure you do that, click that button, and then just continue. Assign to the class, due dates and all. When you click Save, now you're going to notice that the entire grid, all of your grids, the interface, is now embedded into this particular assignment. So from here, you can edit your topic. These were the details I was referring to. Now you have the actual title of your topic, the prompt that you want, you can edit for kids to have. You set all of the details that you normally would on the Flipgrid site, but now you can do that all from within the assignment. Once you click Update Topic and have everything ready to go, this is how it will appear to students, and they'll be ready to record their response. And probably the best feature of all, when you're ready to start grading, all of the grid responses are available in our wonderful speed grader, so you can easily flip through, grade the grid, add comments of all different types, and have everything done from within Canvas itself. Happy Flipgridding!